Hi everyone, I'm MIKI from VMAX Screen Protector Company. Today I would like to introduce our privacy glass protectors to you. I think some of you might be familiar with these privacy screen protectors and you might have bad experience or expression about this product. However, today I would like to test our privacy glass protectors to you, and you might change your expression about this product and you might want to add this product to your category. First of all, I would like to introduce to you is our classic design privacy glass protector, and looks like this. After you install on the mobile phone, it will be like this, and let's test the privacy function. So when we look from straight at the display, you can see that it's very clear, and when we look from the side angle, you can barely see the display content is totally blacked out. Okay, and the next one is the full cover privacy glass protector. So it looks like this, and you can have a look at the difference between the two privacy glass protector. After the full cover privacy glass protector installed on the mobile phone, you can not see the glass exists there because the glass protector has black frame and it matches with the iPhone colors. So let's test the privacy function. Okay, it works like the classic one as well. When you look at the front, it's totally clear, or when we turn the angle, those who sit beside you is not able to see your display content. And this glass protector is totally case friendly with most of the snap-on style phone cases, so you don't have to worry about the case compatibility. And it looks nicer than the normal one, isn't it? Because it covers the majority of the display, and it can protect more your mobile phone. Okay, so this privacy glass protector is really practical for our daily life, as we take a lot of public transportations, or we usually sit beside strangers, and this can prevent the prying eyes on your text message or photos and videos. And so here last we introduce our package to you. So inside this package there's the glass protector and the accessory kit. All of this stuff can be customized with your own brand. So which of the glass protector do you prefer? Please leave us a message or send us an inquiry. We will get back to you soon. Okay, thanks for your watching and see you next time. Bye bye.